My name is Un Jin Yong and my matrix number is 10DDT23F1012. Today, our group will present the result of project in business intelligence subject. So this is our group members. Me and Haziq Hakim will present this presentation. So I will present first 6 slides and then he will present after that. So this is our objective of the project is to improve the user experience comparison to evaluate the overall user experience of Android and iPhone users by measuring satisfaction with features such as UI design, ease of use, and customer support. So the feature preference analysis is to identify which smartphone features, for examples like brand loyalty, price and affordable, app ecosystem, and more. So the users may prioritize when choosing between Android and iPhone. So the demographic-based device choice is to examine how factors like age, gender, region, and features to affect the preference for Android or iPhone. So the ETL we are used to process to in order to achieve our objective. So I will explain what is ETL. ETL can be used into 3 sections. The first one is to extract. The data will be pulled from diverse resources and then transform to clean, standardize, and enrich data. Example, to fix the letters, make it into a normal name, like I in small letter and OS in big capital letter. So the after transform, the data will be stored, processed data in a structured repository, which is we call load. So why ETL is matter for objectives? Because first it can risk reduction. It can reduce the risk and eliminate inconsistency. Second one is to increase efficiency, to make the workflow automatic. This can save our time. So the third one is to standardize regional data for accurate behavioral analysis so we can analyze the insight of customer. For example, the analyze regional OS preferences is the objective. So the steps to use ETL by us is to clean regional field, then map to standardized name, then load into Power BI to ensure whole things can run. In this slide, I will be explain about the data analysis expression in the OLAP and OLTP process. So the differences between OLAP and OLTP, the OLTP is more on transactional systems. It focuses on real-time operations, such as sales transactions. Meanwhile, the OLAP is analytical system. It more optimized for complex queries. For example, the trend analysis. So the data analysis expressions in OLAP is to make 4 analysis shown as below. First, what happened? Second, why did it happen? Third, what will happen? 4, what should be done? So we insert this code into Power BI to ensure all this analysis can run successfully and get what we want. So the DAX in OLTP is just limited use to prioritize speed over complex calculations. For example, simple aggregation for real-time dashboards. So we can see the dashboards when people fill the Google form survey. So in this slide is the slide 6. And then I will discuss about the integration of ETL and DAX. So ETL, just now I say is to use these steps to clean and load smartphone survey data into Power BI. And then OLAP modeling is to building relationship between table. For example, region, between region and satisfaction and many more. So we use the DAX for analysis. We use these codes inside Power BI to ensure the diagnostic can be run. And then the prescriptive feature, for example, satisfaction score. So we can know the user whether user can is satisfied or not in their operating system. So my friend will be discuss about what element actually have in Power BI later. So this is all of my explanation for these slides. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Luman Hakim. My matrix number 10 DDT23F1056. So today I'm going to present visualization type. So firstly, we start with a title. So for our project, our title is smartphone OS usage and certification analysis. Second, I will explain about chart and bar. So for bar, we have a count of phone brand by phone brand. So we do the bar based of people most of use uh, phone brand. So the highest data that we accept uh, firstly is iPhone, followed by Vivo, Realme, Oppo, Samsung, Redmi, and others. So for chart, we have the operating system that make people love use the phone. So firstly, about features and customizing the phone itself, and followed by pricing, uh, app ecosystem, and others. Third, I will explain about map. So we analysis that region and region. So we accept for region that from Johor, Kedah, Kelantan, Pahang, Perak, Pulau Pinang, Selangor, and wilayah Persekutuan. So it's all from Malaysia. Four, I will explain about slicer. So from the current region, we analysis count of region by region and region. So as you can see, Pulau Pinang is most people use the brand phone, followed by Perak, Kedah, Johor, Kelantan, Pahang, Selangor, and wilayah Persekutuan. So most of the state use the brand phone. Five, I will explain about scorecard. So we ask a user by switch the Android to iOS. So most of people agree to switch Android to OS. As you can see from people want to switch to OS is 62% higher than no that only 37% point 93%. So the scorecard show no uh, that lower than yes. Lastly, for visualization type, we have a picture. So as you can see, for our farm is more focused on Android and iOS. So for Android, we put a logo of robot as a Android. So for iOS, we put the iPhone logo, which means it is Apple. So both of these is representing for Android and iOS. So that's all from me. Thank you.